in northeastern Colorado until 5:45 p.m. At 5 o'clock p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles east of Kiowa, or 29 miles west of Lemon, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Deer Trail and Agate. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio.
Well, I didn't think I'd be able to catch one after school started.